Aloha, my name is Zach Royer with Kahuna Research Group here on the Big Island and author of the book Pyramid Rising, Planetary Acupuncture to Combat Climate Change. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple water magnetizer using black sand, 2 gardening containers, and that's basically it. The one I'm making today is a family-sized model capable of holding a 3-gallon jug of water. The purpose of this is to magnetize our water so that it gives us more benefits of drinking magnetized water. Some of the benefits that are said to occur from a MEOW Kettle, such as this, are hair color returning to the original color, tooth enamel growing back, as well as enhanced memory, joint mobility, and basically a feeling like you're drinking liquid aloha every time you drink magnetized water. It's pretty simple to make, and basically all you need is black sand and 2 containers, like I said. What you're going to do is you want to fill the gap in between with black sand, like so. And there's many ways to fill it, but I decided to make a homemade hopper to get the job done even faster. But you basically want to go in an even pattern until you get the inner bucket firmly secured in there. Otherwise, like I said, this thing is really easy to make. The hard part's coming up with the black sand. I happen to live on a magnetic island, and there's black sand beaches periodically. So check out my other video showing how magnetic the sand is. I used a strong magnet and basically showed how magnetic this stuff is. So I know that it's magnetic, and so I actually heard of the plans to build this a couple of years ago when I lived in the mainland and never had the resources to build one. But now I do, and now I'm showing you. So basically I'm about 3/4 of the way full around. Didn't take too much sand. I'd say less than 5 pounds of sand per kettle at this size. Alright, and I'll just sweep that up later, but basically I've just created a pocket of black sand around the inner bucket, and that's it. And all you do is you take your water, which according to the website, which is linked below, Dr. John Maluski, John says that spring water or artesian water works best, and so this is some bottled spring water from Waipio Valley here on the Big Island, and I'm just going to let it sit in there for 5 days, anywhere from 3 to 5 days actually. If you read the article and check out my article, I wrote an article about it called The Unusual Effects of Magnetic Water, which is basically a follow-up to John's article. You'll find that it's pretty simple and it's kind of cool. When you drink the water, I noticed that my fingernails tend to grow a lot faster, as well as my hair, and it just makes you feel really good. Also, my girlfriend Grace, who's in my research group, she claims that it helps her with her tooth pain. She's got a bad tooth, and when she drinks the water, it makes the pain go away. She doesn't need the medication, the pain medication that the dentist gave her. So it's pretty interesting. Also, I know there's some comments on previous videos about drinking magnetic water. You know, this is black sand. It's not a neodymium magnet. It's not highly magnetic. It's subtle, and and we're dealing with the subtle energies. So there's my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you could hear me clearly this time. Thanks, and mahalo for watching. Take care.